stone.
They go up in age?
Yes!
That's not how that works. It doesn't cost stone to go up in age. You needed 8 more stone to build a castle?
Yes!
Okay. You still need another town center.
Got one.
Should probably go up to 3. 3 is the general term limit of castles. There you Portuguese. That looks Italian.
Okay. By you. And you. Okay.
I've never seen one of these go off before. Something tells me I'll need that.
俺立てます。
いいよ。立てます。はい。立てます。はい。立てます。
This game feels like cheating.
Everybody's doing something.
I'm still venture say you need more villagers. I need more villagers. I stopped making them a little while ago.
Yay, I'm an Imperial. What does that mean? Is that good?
That means you're the highest level. So yes, that is good. Your units are stronger than his units now. Or should be, once you upgrade them. I need more food? Why do I need more food? I should have lots of food.
立てます。
Okay, we'll put you there. This dude, you need to build. Here.
By the way, those are my red guys ahead of that. And if you wanted a wall, this is where you'd wall. Based on the way this map works.
I got this. I think.
You're walling too close to your base is basically what I'm saying. If you walled up here, the space is shorter, so they would be harder for them to get in. And you don't have to spend as much stone walling it. Also, they're definitely not going to attack you, so there's not that much point in walling.
What do you mean they're definitely not going to attack me?
Look at that.
How much fucking food do I need to do this? Really?
Probably like 1,000.
Damn!
What are you trying to get?
Nanda? 掘ります。
I want elite samurais. That's not the button I wanted to press.
Oh yeah, I forgot I have these.
What do you have? Things? Stuffs?
Castle.
You forgot you had a castle?
Yep.
That's bad, Michael. Does he have anything? Kind of has stuff. You're competing with the AI, by the way.
Nani? Tatemasu.
なんだ
Oh, that's what's going on.
立てます
Nani?
Oh, they got an organ gun. The only military they have a barracks and a castle. That's their only things. I want to see this go off. Oh, apparently I sent archers over there.
Damn it, I want to build the wall this way. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Tatemasu.
Fine, build that way. Stupid game.
Hai.
Oh, were you trying to build like a gate?
Just want to build a corner.
Nani?
Oh, I ran out of stone.
Oh, hey, they are coming to attack you. That's cool.
Watashi?
You should be able to take care of that, though.
Thought I was building. Come on, what did you do? You didn't build.
No, wait, are they coming to attack me? They're coming to attack me, Michael.
Tatemasu.
What a mistake they've made.
Uh-oh. I'll help you.
It's literally... They're driving a ram to my base because they want to go there.
Only a single ram?
A single ram. Maybe I overestimated the computer a little bit.
Where'd they go? I just saw him. There, wait. Oh, dude, got him.
You'd start trading.
Horimasu.
Where's
Hai.
your market? Oh god, it's all the way back there. This is gonna be fun. Did you
Tatemasu.
wall in a villager?
Hmm?
You
Yeah.
walled a villager into its own pocket.
Oh no, it's fine. Cause... Oh wait, why do we even need a gate there? There's no way out there. That really is a
Yeah.
pocket. I thought there was
Uh-huh.
I thought that was a way out.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh, okay.
立てます俺
It's fine. Oh,
Fine, we'll do it live.
なんだ立てます
Hai. Tatemasu.
okay. No villagers inactive.
You're doing better than the computer at this point, so that's good. Hey, there's that ram.
Oh, I was like, what is that? Oh my god, it's you. Okay.
何
Oh yeah, those are my
立てます
castles.
No, your dude.
A dude?
Your cart dude.
Iyo.
Oh yeah, you trading. You could build a market up here and that would make this much easier.
Oh, my market's kind of hidden back here.
Yeah. Market is the thing that you shouldn't hide.
I'm not sure if you can get to it.
We'll find out.
何
I'm gonna start mass sending those things, so that's gonna be fun.
立てますなんだ行きますなんだ立てます
Oh, that's a dumb idea. There, markets.
立てます。
So markets basically you can start trading and then you have unlimited gold. So is this dude just gonna keep on feeding me units? Like,
なんだ
for real sauce.
Looks like that may be the plan.
Well, that's the plan.
何
These dudes are just gonna walk into the base and see what happens. Oh, I won.
How'd you do that?
I sent in like 30 samurai into his base.
Oh, I didn't even get to do
And,
anything yet.
He defaulted because I blew up his town center.
He just folded?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but I was having such a good run this time. Like, I found this corner. This is like the greatest
Yeah.
corner on this map.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh, look at this. I mean,
Corner.
look where this is. It's like perfectly defensible.
The little corner at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time I'll play where they attack. We'll play on like hard or something like that.
Okay.
I'm kind of done for the night though.
Done for the night entirely?
Do you want to play something else?
I could do that.
Like what?
I don't know.
What time is it?
It's early.
It's 10.
Yeah, it's early.
I want to play Brawlhalla.
Yeah, I don't have that.
I don't think I have anything.